Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be making this beautiful chocolate covered strawberries. If you'd like to know how to make them, stay tuned. So to make the chocolate covered strawberries, you don't even need that many ingredients. It's so simple to make. I started by cleaning the strawberries. You want to place them in a bowl, add in some baking soda, vinegar and water, and just soak them in there for about 5 minutes before rinsing them off and draining. Once you clean your strawberries, you want to make sure you dry them really well. If you do not dry them well, then the chocolate will not stick. After drying them, just put them in skewers. If I didn't have any smaller ones, if you have smaller ones, it's fine, but the skewers really help with the dipping process. Grab your chocolate bars and make sure to cut them into tiny pieces. This is just to make sure that it melts evenly. And then once you do that, just to a pot, add in some water and boil it for a little bit, and then place a bowl over the water, add in your chocolate and melt it. So this is what you want your chocolate to look like. Once it's like that, you go ahead and dip your strawberries in it. You can dip them or just roll them around, whatever you prefer. Put them aside to cool down. If you're going to be decorating your chocolate covered strawberries, then you would decorate them before they dry out. For the white chocolate, I melted it in the microwave just to show that you can do it both ways. I did check on it every 30 seconds until it got to this consistency. So after dipping the white chocolate strawberries, I added that melted chocolate into a Ziploc bag and then cut it like you see here. And then I went ahead and continued decorating some more. have it, you guys. Would you just look at that? These chocolate covered strawberries came out so amazing. They're so easy to make. I had so much fun making them. If you've ever wondered how to make them, well, now you know. But that is all I had today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.